Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. And now, Dwayne is taking a stance to, change, and he's asking all of us, to make the change as well. He said it's not good for us to be tearing down each other, and, for women at least too, for sisters to be tearing down sisters. So, he's encouraging us that we need to take a change, and also, he will be making the change on his platform. He's, however, saying that he will not stop, talking about other people. But the thing about it is that he will ensure that it is respectfully and nothing that will, go against the other person. So just check this video out and remember that, change is evident. You have to change at some point. So he's making a great point. And go ahead and watch the video, and please leave your comments. Thank you.
I'm still going to chat them. I'm going to chat them. I'm going to chat them. But I'm going to do this in a respectful way. Right? If I've taken a stance, don't you think it is full time? A lot of these fully grown females on here uplift their sisters too. Why should it be down to us men and some of you good females on here uplifting your sisters? Why shouldn't all of us as a collective do this? I'm gonna get to a point. Guys, yesterday, I know you guys know full well yesterday, I took the stand. I knew for a fact I would have got a lot of cursed and a lot of bashing for my actions. However, I still did it because listen, I can be the change. I can perhaps start something. Listen, it shouldn't be okay for some people on here to flourish and others to not flourish. All of us should be on the same level playing ground. Yes, some of us are above some in terms of clout, whatever the case may be. Some of us are not here for clout. Some of us are here just to have a damn good time, a jolly good time. That, like myself, I'm here to have a jolly good time. I have no time to be going back and forth and cursing people on here, And to be quite frank, I feel like some of you on social media you people are building your platform on blatant hatred. Blatant hatred, like you know who. I don't wish to call 7. I'm gonna tell you what them say move call him. I got a name for them. Hold on. Let me find the name. I did write it down because I don't want to forget. I didn't want to forget the name. 7 devil in a hell. 7. Well, I tell them no lie. That's it. 7 devil in a hell. That's your new name. 7 devil in hell. Satanic spawn. You flourish off of hatred. You flourish off of hatred and tearing down people you feel like are doing better than you. Maybe if you'd have taken the time to try and turn your platform around, perhaps you would be flourishing too. But no, back to what I'm saying. Yesterday, guys, I know you guys realize I did something I knew for a fact people would have cursed me for it. I would have got cursed for it because I feel like these people, they want me to be one-sided, and I cannot be one-sided. I cannot be one-sided. I refuse to be one-sided. Yes, I was blinded at a point in my life where I was one-sided. I am not one-sided anymore. I respect everyone on here. I have respect for everyone on here with a platform. Everyone. And I would encourage you people to do the exact same thing. Start over. Start over. Judge people on the merits they showed you. Judge people on the traits, the characteristics they showed you. Some of you on here are blatantly building your platforms on hatred for people. Respect people on here. Selective people on here. You can't be selective. You cannot be selective. I'm going to tell you one more time. Judge people based on the merits they showed you. Some of you on here need to remember the good old days. Some of you on here need to remember the good old jolly days, where man stab up on a tire, and it was people like me who was calling and consoling you. Yet, so every day you take to the media, it's always hatred towards me. Yesterday, you guys, I posted some cake flyers, right? I took the stance. I knew for a fact I would have got cursed out for it. But I still did it. I posted Donna's. I posted Tina Chin, and I will post her again. And I don't care which one of you on here is mad at me for it. I don't care. The most important thing is I'm not trying to take bread out of anyone's mouth. Everyone on here has families to feed. Everyone on here needs to eat. Everyone. Everyone on here have the right to flourish. What gives you people the right to want to tear down other people and build other people up? In the name of hatred. Stop it. You people are grown adults. Grown adults. A lot of you have gray hairs. A lot of you could be my aunties. A lot of you could be my uncles. A lot of you could be my dad. My mothers too. I am the youngest out of all of you. And look at me being the bigger person. Not tearing down no one on here. And I'm going to tell you one more time. If I speak on anyone, I am going to speak on all of you in a respectful way. Respecting people on here, it will carry you far. It will bring you further. Hypocrisy at the highest level. Me posting Tina Chin, that is not going to take any kind of bread out of Donna's mouth. And guys, I'm not saying Donna's name to cause any friction. I'm not saying Donna's name to cause any harm or to defame her or to tear her down. That is not my purpose anymore. It never was from the beginning anyway. Me posting Tina Chin, it will never in a million years take bread out of Donna's mouth. Don't you guys realize Donna has power on here. Her name has reached further than a lot of you people on here. You should be making your own lane. Make your own name. Make your own mark on here. You know the way Donna made her mark? You people can make your mark as well in a respectful way. Respectful. Keyword, respectful. Look at it. Yesterday I posted Donna's stuff, right? I posted Donna's flyers first. And I let it rest for probably around 5 minutes before I went to search for Tina's stuff, and I posted them as well. Listen, no one told me to post them. I took the initiative on myself. And even though I am blocked, I still took the initiative to go over to Donna's page and look how long ago Donna posted her flyers. I had to scroll her page. I scrolled until I found them. I took them down, I brought them to my page, and I posted them. If I can help to promote her cakes, And bear in mind, I'm not a baker. I'm not a baker, right? And yes, Your Majesty, we've gone for a little shenanigan. If he comes out tomorrow and posted flyers to you, I would take them from his page and I will post them just as well. I am not a hateful person. I wish all of you well. Yet still some of you on here, every day that God gives you life on this land, all you do is get out and spread hatred. And some of your followers are also the minions. Let me call them minions. Are also, they're not better than you. They're not better than you people. Every day is always hatred. When will we start to uplift and encourage? Why should we hinder people? Why? Listen, hindrance is not a good thing. We as a collective, we can help each other to be better people, to be better business people. Listen, everyone have the